guys, welcome back to HIKOCO's channel.
Hi, Coco.
You know, I'm constantly testing skincare products, actually most of the day. So when it makes skincare products into my everyday skincare routine, that means I can't live without this product. As I have oily dehydrated skin type, it's important to find super nourishing products, yet it's light and won't leave my skin feeling more oily than it's already gets. So in today's video, I will share with you the skincare products that I'm currently obsessed with. Let's get started. Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. As my T-zone gets oily throughout the day, I tend to use oil cleansers. I've been using Celimax Blackhead Jojoba Cleansing Oil for a year, but after I tried this Anua Heartleaf Pore Cleansing Oil, I immediately switched. I was so curious about the Anua Heartleaf Cleansing Oil after so many beauties ask us to stock it. After trying out myself, I can totally see what the hype is. From the name, you would have picked up that the key ingredient is Heartleaf extract, which is known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. It mildly cleans off makeup and impurities without irritating my skin. Even more so, I can see that this has helped reduce my redness after cleansing. After massaging for 1 to 2 minutes, this oil reaches deep into my pores that I can actually see blackheads and whiteheads coming out. It even removes all of my makeup too. I've noticed that after a month of using this cleansing oil, I found my T-zone doesn't produce too much oil and my skin texture gets much smoother than before. This is so amazing cleansing oil. So I'd highly recommend it to those with oily or oily dehydrated skin, or even for acne-prone skins too. The next product is Abib Heartleaf Spot Pad Calming Touch. This is my favorite toner pad. I always come back to this Abib Calming Touch toner pad, even though I tried other best-selling toner pads from other brands. I've actually been recommending this to everyone around me. Using a toner pad is one of my favorite skincare steps that I simply cannot miss out. After cleansing step, I wipe down with a toner pad without using a towel to remove the excess water. This helps maintain a balance in my skin's moisture level as well as prep it for the next skincare step. What I love about this Abib toner pad is the cotton pad. Although it has a gold side, it feels very soft and doesn't irritate my skin at all. There is so much essence in the toner pad and each pad soaks all of it. As soon as I applied this toner pad to my skin, I immediately can feel the essence that sinks into my skin. As the main ingredient is Heartleaf extract, it soothes my skin and helps with the redness that I get. I love how hydrated and refreshed my skin without being sticky or heavy. It's the perfect toner pad that allows my next skincare steps to deeply penetrate into my skin, plus has the most gentle ingredients to pair with any other ingredients. Highly recommended, especially for sensitive skin. And the next up is the XSY Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum. Ta-da! When I get sudden breakouts, I try my best to get rid of it without leaving a scar. And I found XSY Dark Spot Correcting Glow Serum gives me the best result, just like they claim. With 5% of niacinamide and 5 other mild brightening ingredients to boost the effect. I find this serum is amazing at preventing scars from the new pimples. I actually see the hyperpigmentations fading in just 2 weeks. I love how light it feels on my skin and gives my skin the right amount of hydration without being sticky. This is not just for the breakout. You can just use it on the pigmentations that you have and it's lighten up your hyperpigmentations or scars. I really like that this is a pump type, which makes it super hygienic too. Deserves all the hype. And the next one is a Numbuzin No. 5 Vitamin Concentration Serum. These days, one of my skin concern is the sunspots and dull skin tones. So I've been looking for a vitamin C product to brighten my skin, but at the same time, I got irritations to vitamin C. So I carefully selected brightening products for my skin. From all the brightening products I have tried, Numbuzin No. 5 Vitamin C Concentrated Serum brought me the best result without any irritation. That is why I add this product into my daily skincare routine for clearing up my uneven skin tone. It's never irritating my skin and actually I see a huge difference in my skin complexion. And it's been like few months and you can see my skin's much brighter than before. With the combo of vitamin C and vitamin E and niacinamide, this serum has lifted my dark spots and freckles away, leaving my skin looking so glowy and youthful. Also, it provides essential nutrition to my skin, helping to replenish moisture, improve elasticity, and maintain a healthy skin barrier. This serum quickly absorbs and doesn't leave any oiliness on the skin, and I don't feel any stinging sensation too. Sometimes I use this Numbuzin vitamin C serum with the vitamin C toner pad from the same brand that really boosts up the effect of brightening and evening out my skin tones. I see the result over time. The next my holy grail is a Celimax dual barrier skin wearable cream. Here is one of our latest skincare gem that has been highly requested by so many of our beauties. This Celimax dual barrier skin wearable cream is so special and stands out from your typical moisturizer. From its name, dual barrier, you can tell this is all about providing double-layered skin protection. It combines both physical and chemical barriers to shield your skin from environmental stresses and harmful UV rays. With these layers in place, it effectively locks in moisture, keeping my skin hydrated throughout the day. Despite its powerful protections, it's quite lightweight, even giving me a mattifying finish. Plus, it's great for targeting those dry patches, especially around my jawline, so I simply add an extra layer onto it. Even with multiple layers of this cream or with other skincare products, it's still okay. It doesn't leave any greasiness or residue. This cream is the perfect moisturizer for my dehydrated skin, and I really love that it comes with a tube type with the applicator. It's quite sharp and thin, so it's easy to apply around your eye area or your jawlines too. And I tend to use this product as my daily primer before I putting up the base makeup. So good. My holy grail sunscreen these days is the TOCOBO Bio Watery Sunscreen SPF 50+. My latest skincare discovery is the TOCOBO Bio Watery Sun Cream. This has become my favorite sunscreen these days because it's incredibly light but hydrates my skin. As this sunscreen offers protections from both UVA and UVB rays, my cheeks never feel a hot sensation even when I've been in the sun for a long time. The texture is like a sun serum or lotion, so it isn't greasy and won't clog my pores either. This refreshing formula doesn't leave a white cast, creating a beautiful base for your makeup. So these days I only use this sunscreen. Also, it is cruelty-free and vegan beauty, which is what many of our beauties are looking for. I can see why this has become a quick sunscreen favorite for a lot of you. My last recent favorite product is Mixsoon Soybean Milk Pad. Have you ever heard of the Mixsoon Soybean Milk Pad? I've been hearing amazing things about this product, so I had to test this one for myself. It comes with 10 pouches. Each pouch comes with 3 pads soaked in a soybean milk extract, making it the ultimate quick sheet mask. And the results are incredible. Soybean milk works wonders to moisturize and hydrate my skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. The essence is so rich and milky and highly concentrated, so it penetrates deep into my skin to nourish and calm any redness. And each pad soaks up a lot of essence, so you can put it on for a long time. So let all the good ingredients soak into your skin slowly. Plus, the pad itself is super soft, so it doesn't irritate my skin and it adheres perfectly to my skin. The pad don't slip and slide on the skin even when I'm walking around or moving around with them. And I love using it as a quick sheet mask or intense sheet mask at a night time. And whenever I look so tired in the morning, then I use this one as my quick sheet mask to recharge the moist before applying makeup. And for those who feeling always lazy and don't want to put a lot of skincare products, but you still want to get a glowy skin, why don't you try this simple but intense moisture care pad? So this is the end of today's video. How was it? These are all my recent holy grail skincare products that I seriously love and have to say it is very much worth stocking up this Easter sale. If you want to see my Holy Grails makeup edition, click above to give it a watch. Enjoy our Easter sale beauties, and there's not much time left, so make sure to fulfill your wish list. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!